So the idea with these drawer pulls is that they fit within the slot that a biscuit joiner makes. So I can just glue these handles into place and not have to deal with any screws, and it just gives the drawers a much more seamless all-wood look. And using the biscuit joiner ensures that these drawer pulls are always installed level, so I don't have to deal with so many alignment issues. It's just really easy to cut a slot and fit them in place without much measuring. And lastly, I just think that these drawer pulls look pretty cool. And these drawers that I'm cutting into right now are just for the shop. They're nothing special. So I'm actually testing out different heights to see what I think looks best.